How does it feel to be the first Scot in the UFC?
No, speechless, close to tears when I first got announced, and it's good to be representing my country. It's not just myself when I'm out there. And maybe 2 fights ago I fought in Glasgow, and they had a small documentary going on me, and I told them I would make history. And 2 years ago I told them I'd make it to the UFC, and nobody believed me. And so I'm making history basically. So it feels great.
So how did it come about? Obviously you replaced Mike Wilkinson. How did that come about?
I was sparring on Friday night, session finished, checked Twitter, and I seen Mike Wilkinson been injured, and I was like, damn, I think I could be on here, because the UFC approached me prior to that and told me if there was any injuries for featherweights that I was going to be the first shout. So as soon as I seen it, I knew right away it was my chance.
And how have you been preparing on, short notice?
It's just the same as any other fight. It's no different. Maybe the only difference would be a kilo of difference in my weight. I was keeping it down anyway in case I did get the call up. I was training hard, so there's not much of a difference apart from being a superstar down here.
And what do you think of Jimmy as an opponent?
Nothing but respect for Jimmy. He's fought in the UFC 3 times, I think. So hats off to him for doing that and sticking around so long. And I'm looking forward to putting on a great fight with him on Saturday night.
How does it feel to be making a UFC debut in the UK?
Again, that's something that will live with me for the rest of my life. I think I've got maybe 100 fans coming down in short notice, so it'll be good to hear the Tartan Army down there giving us a good roar, and also to get the rest of England behind me as well. Great Britain, it'll be good for me and for the sport.
So Jimmy's coming off a loss against Marcus Brimage. Have you looked at any footage to help you prepare? And if so, what did you think of his performance?
I've watched the Brimage fight, that's it. And maybe a year ago I seen him fight on the UFC, and his style is very similar to mine. So when I seen the stuff he was doing in his fight, I kind of stole it. I thought, well, that would work great for my technique, and I was teaching it in the gym on the Monday morning after it. So as far as I'm coming off a loss, I don't think it makes much of a difference to how the fight will pan out. It'll make for an exciting fight if you'll come out hungry or looking for a win. So it's a win for the fans more than anything.
Do you think he's going to pose any challenges to you on Saturday?
Oh, for sure. Jimmy's going to pose challenges. I'm looking for him coming marching forward, trying to hit me. It's going to be a fist fight. I'm going to stand in the centre of the octagon. I'm not going to move, and he's going to need to try and move me. So his style will make for an interesting clash with my style.
And how do you think the fight is going to finish on Saturday?
I'm not too sure how it's going. I never like to put predictions on it, but if you look at my past record and my past fights, there's never a dull moment, so don't blink.
Lovely. We look forward to that. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Cheers.
Thank you. Good.